What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is Matt at American Mustangs. We got another amazing car here. This is actually a really rare car. It's a 1969 Mustang sports roof. It's a GT. They didn't make a lot of GTs in '69 because the Mach 1 started coming out. This is a Q code 428. 4-speed Super Cobra Jet 430 car. So extremely rare car. Been fully restored top to bottom. The bottom looks as clean as the top. Stunning car. Paint on this car is beautiful. Just take a second to walk around and show you the exterior. All right, so there's your 428 SCJ. And you guys know if you had a Super Cobra Jet, they mounted the oil cooler here. So they had to relocate the horns, both to the passenger side. So a couple little a few day two items on this car. It's got a tri-power, a factory Ford tri-power. This car does have Edelbrock aluminum heads. I have the original heads, and the driver's side head has the VIN on the car that matches the car. Have the original intake, have the original carburetor. There's your oil filter adapter for your Super Cobra Jet. Your auto light heater core hoses, auto light alternator, snake 428 valve covers, Cobra air cleaner, all your paint inspection stickers. This is underside of the hood is beautiful as well. You can see the reflection of the air cleaner. Here's your VIN tag. Now let's move to the interior. Here's your door tag. You see the W on the door tag right there. That's 430 rear axle ratio. It's got a Hurst shifter. Paint inspection stamp, 8K tack. Like I said, this car has been fully restored, top to bottom. Super clean jams. Headliner's in excellent condition. All right, let's pop the trunk. your car light glass there. The 8K date. Beautiful trunk area. So we got some paperwork here. Let's go over the Marti. This is factory silver Jade, 430, 4-speed. There's your options. GT Equipment Group, 428 Super Cobra Jet. Couple axle options there. F70 14 tires, AM radio, and tinted glass. Here's the original invoice for the car. This is not a copy. And here is the Marti statistics report to show you the rarity of this car, which is broken down pretty fast. So basically, out of the 2,766 Q codes, 1,485 had 4-speed close ratio transmissions. Out of that, only 124 were silver Jade. Then 8 had the black vinyl standard buckets. Only 2 had Super Cobra Jet engines, and only 1 had tinted glass, but only 2 had the Super Cobra Jet. And this is a GT car. They didn't even have to touch that option to break it down that far. But absolutely stunning 69 GT Super Cobra Jet. So let me fire the car up. Take it for a drive. 4-speed 430 car. Gonna take it for a drive. Everything on the car is brand new, so clutch feels great, steering feels great, shifter, everything. But you can definitely tell it's got a 430 rear gear. She is geared and low. Alright, I'm going to stretch it out a little bit here. For sale. I'm going to put it on the website. You can go to AmericanMustangs.com or call that number 3